We are back today. This is just going to be a little quick video. So I want to do a couple quick last minute repairs to the van, Big Ugly. My biggest complaint with driving this thing is this driver's seat. Angie, you want to show them what's going on with the seat?
Yeah.
So this seat has seen... Uh-oh. Angie broke it. This seat has seen better days. Let's just put that right back where it was. I got an idea for how I want to fix it. I think I'm going to tuck this back where it was, shove a couple old t-shirts down in there, make it good as new, duct tape over everything to hold it all in place.
Oh my.
And put a seat cover over it. And hopefully it'll work out great. We will find out. While I'm doing this, Angie, what are you going to do? Hammer?
Sort of.
She's going to chop some wood. I went on Amazon the other day. I wanted a hatchet. And so naturally I went to Amazon because I don't like going to stores. And I found this little guy, which was kind of exactly what I was looking for. And this by itself was like, I think it was $17.50 I saw it for on there. Then, the next line underneath the one with just the hatchet had a hatchet and a big knife for $20. Angie's gonna chop some of this firewood up.
Look at all this, guys. This is too much wood.
We've got to.
Anybody want some wood?
No, we're gonna burn it all. Cut wood with a hatchet. Basically, you get it started, and then you hit the hatchet with a hammer.
I'm a little bit scared.
So I'm gonna let Angie have at it with that. I'm gonna fix the van.
Yeah.
And the kids are playing in our new pool. Hi friends, just an update real quick. I got the seat back to being seat shaped. Let's try it out. Ugh. Oh, that's so much better. That holds me right where I'm supposed to be sitting. Now, I have found in the past that if you just duct tape a seat, it's great for like a couple weeks, maybe a month, and then the duct tape gets all sticky. So now I'm going to put a seat cover over top of this, so if it gets sticky, it stays below me and not on me. And it's a seat again. Looks pretty good. I do wish I hadn't ran my duct tape back so far this way. Now, alright, well that seat looks a lot better. I wonder where did, I haven't heard any chopping in a what? Angie's in the pool laying on a giant slice of pizza. Angie, what do you have to say for yourself? Looking cute. Alright friends, so we got beautiful Angie back up in here. Angie, how does the seat feel?
It feels so sweet.
But it looks 10 times better, at least. A million times. The only thing is, I wish this seat cover covered up the duct tape a little bit better right here, but I'm not too concerned about it because the van is literally named Big Ugly.
Which I feel like anything goes at that point.
I think this was a successful upgrade to the van. Coming up with this van series, we're going to do panels on the roof.
Yes, I'm so
I did do
excited.
insulation on the roof because the sun hits that roof, and when it's just a metal roof, it was really heating up the
It was
inside
so
of the van.
hot, even with air.
Yeah, so that really helped out a lot.
Yeah.
We still need to make it prettier up there.
Oh yeah, I've got some plans.
Yeah, and I've got a long list of parts that I need to get from the salvage yard.
Yep.
So we've got plenty of things to do. Alright guys, I think we are done with this quick video. Angie, any final words? Angie, any final words?
we're getting